That's why she's doing everything she can to get to Los Angeles to say goodbye to Michael Jackson. She applied online for a chance at a ticket to Tuesday's memorial service.
Being able to really mourn the loss of one of the greatest entertainers.
Just to be in the draw is quite something. Nearly 2 million people registered for tickets, but only about 17,000 seats are available.
I think that just shows the power of Michael Jackson even when he's not here.
The tribute for the King of Pop is expected to be a lavish production. Last night in London, Madonna offered her own tribute.
All right, people, let's give it up to one of the greatest artists the world has ever known, Michael Jackson. Long live the King.
Jackson's sudden death last month stunned the world, triggering impromptu street dancing and singing by legions of fans everywhere. This pop culture expert says some of those who registered for the memorial just want to be a part of history.
There is this tragic, life not lived, opportunity squandered, talent wasted myth that is surrounding him. So, in many ways he'll become the next Elvis Presley. And, people want to kind of be on the bandwagon for that.
And that's why Los Angeles is worried. It's expected as many as 1 million people will converge on the city. Police are urging people to stay home and watch the event on TV. But that won't stop Basra Arty. As she waits to find out if she's won a ticket, it doesn't really matter. She's already booked a flight to Los Angeles early Monday for an event she says is just too big to miss. Brian Labby, CBC News, Calgary.